If I told you to just draw a house, you would draw a vertical line to make it look tall. So it's something that you naturally know. So I will be going over more and more techniques, but I do want you to start realizing that there is a lot you know for making a two-point perspective city, and you can just start overlapping boxes, decorating them with verticals. So again, I'm just going to do a few quick lines to kind of give you that impression. One thing I've always advised kids is that if you can't think of anything, just start drawing boxes. A page crowded with boxes is just going to start looking like a city. I always find it kind of amazing that we take so much time to create these when, look, holy moly, I'm almost done. And then I can maybe do some sidewalk here, sidewalk here. So I'm about to sign off on this, but I'm going to do one last review, and then you'll be ready to at least start your perspective city. And that review is to draw windows and doors. We're still going to follow these two rules. I'm going to either make vertical lines or have lines go to the vanishing points. So let's take a look at this side. Maybe I'm going to put a big stripe on this building. I'm going to go to the vanishing point. To the vanishing point. That's all it takes. Maybe I want a short stripe down here. So see, I've marked this. So I'm at the vertical. I'm just going to go to the vanishing point. So here it is. And I don't match this angle. It's not like, oh, I drew this and now I'm going to keep that angle. No, in fact, I keep turning my ruler. So here I am lined up to the vanishing point. Here's that dot I drew. I know my ruler is going all the way here, but I'm focused right here. And there's my vanishing point. And now I'll go to the opposite vanishing point. And it makes sense. If this wall, for example, right here, vanishes to the left, if there happen to be windows on it, it would make sense that those windows vanish to the left. They're part of the wall, correct? So there's a window. And if there's a door, so I'm now looking at this part here. If this wall is vanishing to the right, it would make sense that my door vanishes to the right. Maybe a little window on my door. So the door vanishes to the right, the wall vanishes to the right. So I guess if there's a little window on my door, it's going to vanish to the right. See how I'm lining it up to that perspective? Now something we were doing in class, and I'm going to repeat it here, is let's analyze this. Let's mark all of our vertical lines, or a lot of them, with pink. And let's sort of highlight a lot of my lines that are going to the vanishing point with yellow. So here's my drawing, and here's a vertical, right? Vertical, a vertical line. I started with that one, then I finished this building off with those verticals. A vertical line. Here I drew a vertical. Then over here I drew a vertical. 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 Remember how I made this sidewalk stand up? These are all verticals. And there's probably more on here. Then, again, as we look at this, let's highlight, sorry, I saw these. Let's highlight some of our vanishing point lines using yellow. And so this line here goes to the vanishing point. In fact, for a few of them, I'll even ... kind of, right? So this line here goes to the vanishing point. This line goes to the vanishing point. This line goes to a vanishing point. Vanishing point. Really importantly, the window goes to the vanishing point. The other line to the window. This line goes to the vanishing point. When I drew a stripe, this line goes to the vanishing point. And then to draw another stripe, I pivoted my ruler so it could stay to this vanishing point. And it's on the same wall, but the angle changes, right? Really importantly, your sidewalk lines go to vanishing points. So here it is. Look how this line here goes all the way to that vanishing point. This line here, so I'm looking at this one. I didn't guess at that angle. I lined it up to the ruler. This line, I know it's going to be a little visually confusing, but look how that line goes all the way to the vanishing point. Same here. This line goes all the way to the vanishing point. Same on the other side. I'm going to look at this one right here. How did I get that angle? This line goes all the way. I'm going to draw this one all the way too, through my buildings. All the way to the vanishing point. So every line that's yellow is going to a vanishing point. Every line that's pink is vertical. So this entire drawing was created using these two rules, that a line's either vertical or it's going to a vanishing point. No guessing. Think of it as graphing. All right, guys, so get started on your 2-point perspective cities. Again, it's on paper that's 12 inches by 18 inches. It's a pencil drawing. You can draw a 1-inch border on the left side, a 1-inch border on the right side, and that way you don't have to draw in there. Now there's no border on the top or bottom, just on the left and right, and you can draw your city. All right, be on the lookout for more advanced videos from me, and in those videos, hopefully I'll ask some questions. I'll slow down and review again. I'll show you how to do lettering if you want to put, you know, like music in concerts or Eat at Joe's on yours. I'll show you how to draw pointed roofs. If you want to include a little nature, I'll show you how to incorporate nature with perspective. And then as I hear from you guys, I'll make a video of advanced topics. Thanks so much.